Do you forget words when speak English? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to fix IT fast. Many learners get stuck. This makes them nervous and breaks fluency.
If you are serious about improving your English, then watch the full video and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
In this video, I will give you 5 simple tips that will help you practice and remember words when you speak English. Tip 1. Think in English. Don't translate from your native language. Start with small sentences in your mind. When you think in your native language and then translate into English, it slows you down. Your brain spends extra time searching for words and structures. But if you think directly in English, speaking becomes faster, smoother, and more natural. Tip 2. Use simple words. Don't search for big vocabulary. Just speak with easy and common words. Tip 3. Practice common phrases daily. Short sentences are more useful than single words. Practice them again and again. Tip 4. Keep a vocabulary journal or app. Write down new words and review them daily. This helps you remember faster. Tip 5. Speak slowly and clearly. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency means speaking smoothly without stopping. If you follow these 5 steps, you will see a real change and your fluency will grow faster. Subscribe for more videos.